My name is Hamid Farzaneh, and I'm with Sensoplex. We created Sensoplex a couple of years ago. My background is semiconductors, and I had dabbled with sensors starting in 2000. And a couple of years ago, I felt that the time was right really to try to build a company that would be an enabler rather than providing end products. So what we do is that we provide the building block that's necessary for any wearable. And the building block is the hardware and the firmware, and we facilitate also the rest of the activities that are necessary to build a complete product all the way to taking it to the market. Is it moving? Okay. So again, our activity starts with the ideation at the forefront because wearables, like in many other products, maybe more so because of the form factor, is based very much on trade-offs. Trade-offs between capabilities and trade-offs between battery power and also the form factor. So we make the physical building block. We have designed a platform, which is this little thing here. This is our first platform. That's a 16-bit microprocessor plus a low-energy Bluetooth plus a bunch of sensors. And this platform provides the basics on which our customers can build their application and take their product to the market. Now, the typical products that our customers are going after are also cost sensitive. They're sub $300, and they go all the way from smart toys to things such as e-watches that are starting to percolate. But most of the products are really in the range of about $100. So cost effectiveness is key, and time to market is everything. So what we're really doing is that if we look at all the activities that are necessary to build a product, is you have to start with the hardware platform that would support the application. So the hardware platform includes a number of sensors, it includes wireless communication, and it includes, of course, the processing power and the battery to feed that. Beyond that, what's necessary is algorithms that are application specific, the application software, the cloud software, and of course, on top, in addition to the electronics, you need the enclosure. But having a basic platform that has been proven, and in this case, what we have here is even FCC and CE certified, so that we have customers taking it as is and just wrapping some plastic around it that they would have designed and taking it to production. So we cut about 50% of the time to market by providing that major building block. The rest of the work has to be done by, of course, either the customer directly or with the help of other partners that will be developing the software or the algorithms or the gamification or whatever is related to the application and to the product. Our first generation product includes inertial sensors. So this device here has 3-axis accelerometers, 3-axis gyroscope, 3-axis magnetometer. These come from InventSense, which is a leading provider of MEMS sensors in the market. Plus we have a pressure sensor that measures elevation and temperature sensor for ambient temperature. In addition to that, we are very much market-driven, and currently what we sense that the market wants is a number of biosensors, plus also some environmental sensors. Environmental sensors such as for smog detection, O3, ozone, and so on. And we're working to integrate that into our next generation platform. So to go to market, the items that are in green are the items that we do provide, and the other services such as industrial design, that's typically a question of branding and company style, so our customers take care of that. They also typically take care of the algorithms, that's their IP, that's their differentiation, their stickiness. And the application software, enterprise software, are typically provided by third parties, expert third parties, and we have a number of partners who can help. So either our customers can use their partners, or we can help them find the right partners, and then get to production. So we have a number of customers who have gone from start to finish in 9 months, which is fairly fast given the fact that this kind of product typically takes 18 months to market. Now I have another demo to show you how that things practically work. So what the sensors do is that they generate raw data. So inertial sensors generate raw data, and that data is not really usable if it's not processed. So what I'm showing here is that by moving it, essentially, we detect the raw data and we translate that into information that's useful for the people who are going to be developing the algorithms, so that they know that if I'm taking a certain gesture, for if I'm swimming, that this gesture means a certain type of swimming. First of all, it's swimming. Second, what type of swimming? And third, to calculate exactly that the activity that swimming is undertaking. So how many strokes, how many laps, in which direction, and and what the time as well, and so on. So those are elements that are necessary really to the end product application. So our role again is to be the building block that would enable our customers to get to production faster. Okay? Okay. Thank you.